To create custom conversions in Facebook, first you have to attach Pixel. Go to Events Manager. Once your pixel is attached, you have to create a custom conversion. Go to your website. Right now we are creating a custom conversion. Whenever somebody fills a form on your website, you can track that on Facebook via Facebook ads. For instance, I'm using a real estate website. Here we are creating a conversion for an inquiry form. Here I have this inquiry form. I'm just filling it to get the thank you page link. Test message. Once I submit it, I see another URL, which is a thank you page. I'll copy this, go to Events Manager. Once your pixel is attached, which we already have done in one video, go to Custom Conversions. I already have created 2 conversions. We'll create one more here. Create Custom Conversion. Name your conversion. Here I'm naming the project. Here I'm selecting a category, which is a lead form submission. If you see here, a submission of information by customer. Here I'm pasting that particular URL and doing it equals. Whenever somebody comes from Facebook ad to your website and fills this particular form, this URL will be tracked. So here URL equals and create. Done. Here how you have to create this custom conversions, and now when you start your ads, you can track them.